When it comes to choosing a sewing machine, Singer and Brother are two of the most popular and well-respected brands in the industry. Both companies have a long history of producing quality sewing machines for home use, but they each have their own strengths and characteristics. Let's dive into a detailed comparison of Singer and Brother sewing machines, looking at various aspects that are important to sewers of all levels. Sewing quality. Both Singer and Brother produce machines capable of high-quality stitching, but there are some differences to note. Singer machines are known for their consistent stitch quality across a wide range of fabrics. Many users report that Singer machines handle heavy-duty fabrics like denim and leather particularly well. The tension control on Singer machines is often praised for being easy to adjust, resulting in even stitches on both sides of the fabric. Brother machines also deliver excellent stitch quality, with many models offering a wide variety of built-in stitches. Brother is particularly noted for their computerized models, which often provide very precise and customizable stitching options. Some users find that Brother machines excel at handling lighter fabrics and intricate work. Overall, both brands can produce high-quality stitches, but Singer may have a slight edge when it comes to heavier fabrics, while Brother might be preferred for more delicate or detailed work. Machine build quality. The build quality of sewing machines can significantly impact their durability and performance over time. Singer machines are often described as sturdy and durable. Many models feature metal internal frames, which contribute to their stability and longevity. Singer's heavy-duty line, in particular, is known for its robust construction. However, like many modern sewing machine brands, Singer has incorporated more plastic components in recent years to keep costs down. Brother machines are generally well-built, with a reputation for reliability. While they also use plastic components in many models, the overall construction is typically solid. Some users report that Brother machines feel lighter and more compact compared to equivalent Singer models, which can be an advantage for those who need to move their machine frequently. Both brands offer a range of models from entry-level to advanced, with build quality generally improving as you move up the price range. It's worth noting that the highest-end models from both brands tend to have more metal components and sturdier construction overall. Noise level. The noise level of a sewing machine can be an important factor, especially for those who sew in shed spaces or during times when quieter operation is preferred. Singer machines, particularly their mechanical models, have a reputation for being slightly louder than some competitors. However, many users describe the sound as a solid mechanical noise rather than a harsh or unpleasant one. Singer's more advanced computerized models tend to be quieter. Brother machines, especially their computerized models, are often praised for their relatively quiet operation. Many users report that Brother machines produce a softer, more muffled sound compared to some other brands. It's important to note that noise levels can vary significantly between different models within each brand. Generally, computerized machines tend to be quieter than mechanical ones, and higher-end models often incorporate better noise reduction features. Versatility. The versatility of a sewing machine refers to its ability to handle various types of projects and fabrics. Singer offers a wide range of machines suitable for different skill levels and project types. Their heavy-duty models are particularly versatile, capable of handling everything from delicate fabrics to thick layers of denim or canvas. Many Singer machines come with a good selection of presser feet and accessories, enhancing their versatility. Brother is known for producing highly versatile machines, especially in their computerized range. Many Brother models come with a large number of built-in stitches and automatic features, making them suitable for a wide variety of sewing projects. Brother also offers several combination sewing and embroidery machines, which can be a great choice for crafters who want to explore different techniques. Both brands offer machines that can handle basic sewing tasks as well as more advanced projects. The choice often comes down to the specific features you need for your preferred types of sewing. Ease of use. The user-friendliness of a sewing machine can greatly impact the sewing experience, especially for beginners. Singer machines are generally considered user-friendly, with clear instructions and intuitive controls. Their mechanical models are particularly straightforward, making them a good choice for beginners. However, some users find that threading Singer machines can be a bit tricky at first, especially on models with front-loading bobbins. Brother machines, especially their computerized models, are often praised for their ease of use. Many Brother machines feature top-loading, drop-in bobbins, which are typically easier to use than front-loading ones. Brothers' LCD screens on computerized models are usually clear and easy to navigate. Both brands offer models with automatic needle threaders and other convenience features, particularly in their mid-range and high-end machines. Price range and value. Both Singer and Brother offer machines across a wide price range, from budget-friendly options to high-end models. Singer tends to have a slight edge in the budget category, with some very affordable models that still offer good functionality. Their heavy-duty line offers excellent value for those needing a robust machine. At the higher end, Singer's professional-grade machines can be quite expensive, but offer advanced features for serious sewers. Brother's entry-level machines are competitively priced and often come with more built-in stitches than comparably priced Singer models. In the mid-range, Brother offers many feature-rich computerized models at reasonable prices. Their high-end combination sewing and embroidery machines can be quite expensive, but offer extensive capabilities. Both brands frequently offer sales and discounts, so it's worth shopping around to find the best deal. Innovation and technology. Both Singer and Brother have embraced technological advancements in their sewing machines. Singer has introduced several innovative features in recent years, including their Swift's mott threading system and the IEF integrated even feed system for smooth fabric feeding. They've also developed tap-connected sewing machines that can be controlled via smartphone. Brother is often seen as a leader in sewing machine technology, particularly in their computerized models. They offer features like automatic thread tension adjustment, advanced LCD touchscreens, and even Wi-Fi connectivity in some models. Brother's combination sewing and embroidery machines are particularly advanced. Customer support and warranty. After-sales support can be crucial, especially for newer sewers or if you encounter issues with your machine. Singer offers a 25-year limited warranty on many of their machines, which covers different pots for different periods. They provide customer support through their website, phone, and email. Some users report mixed experiences with Singer's customer service. Brother typically offers a 25-year limited warranty on their sewing machines. They're known for responsive customer service and provide support through various channels, including online chat. Many users report positive experiences with Brother's customer support. Both companies offer online resources, including user manuals, troubleshooting guides, and tutorial videos. So, which one should you choose? Both Singer and Brother produce high-quality sewing machines that cater to a wide range of sewing needs and skill levels. Singer machines are often praised for their durability and ability to handle heavy-duty tasks, while Brother machines are known for their user-friendly interfaces and advanced computerized features. When choosing between Singer and Brother, consider your specific sewing needs, budget, and preferences. If you're looking for a sturdy machine that can handle thick fabrics, a Singer might be your best bet. If you want a feature-rich, computerized machine with a wide variety of stitches, a Brother could be the way to go. Remember that both brands offer a range of models, so it's always worth comparing specific machines rather than just choosing based on brand alone. Reading user reviews and, if possible, trying out machines in person can help you make the best decision for your sewing journey. Whichever brand you choose, both Singer and Brother have a long history of helping sewers create beautiful projects, and either can be an excellent choice for your sewing adventures.